We're announcing the name change for the Washington Monument. We're going to change it to the Trump Monument. We're going to polish it up. We're going to renovate it. We're going to coat it in gold. It's going to be so shiny and golden. And of course, we're going to make it a little bit taller than it was before. We have to make it a little taller. In order to coat it gold, I think we're going to have to take it down and lay it on its side. It'll be completely fine. If it cracks, super glue. I tell you what, super glue. We're going to install speakers into it, and it's going to play Lee Greenwood, God Bless the USA. It's going to play that beautiful song 24/7. And nobody knows building more than me. You can super glue that. You get a giant tube of super glue, and you just glue it together. Nobody has better super glue than us. The military, we bring in a giant tube of super glue. On an aircraft carrier, you bring in a giant tube of super glue, and you just glue it together. I don't think it'll break, but if it does break, you use the super glue. We're thinking of adding it into the Golden Dome and installing a rocket launcher out the top of it. So if anyone gets close to DC in terms of an enemy, the whole top will open. A rocket will shoot out the top of it and take him down so fast. And every morning there's going to be fireworks that come out the top of it. It's going to be so beautiful. No one will give me the credit for the fantastic job that I've done, so I have to give myself the credit. And of course, we're going to put Trump across the side of it. You're going to be able to see the word Trump. Really, you should have put the name Washington, but Washington is so long that it didn't work. Trump is nice and short and beautiful, and it's going to work so well. It's going to look so good. You know, Washington, he's got his name all over the place. Every other street called Washington. You have a state called Washington. You have a city. The whole city's called Washington. So I think Washington has enough things named after him. And I have nothing named after me. And, you know, in terms of Washington Monument, you know that's an obelisk. It's an obelisk. They call it an obelisk. This is going to be the most beautiful obelisk anyone's ever seen, and we truly made the Washington Monument great again.